Hello everyone, my name is Michael. I'm so glad I'll be tutoring you on mathematics today. So right now, go get your pens and your books because you won't like to miss out on any of my videos. So stay tuned and watch till the very end. Today I'll be teaching maths as usual, for that's the reason why this channel was created. It's very important that things such as these should be committed into the hands of God for perfect understanding. So why not you spare him some seconds of our time as you repeat this prayer after me. My mind is where I am. When I study, I must remember and understand. So help me God. As easy as that. So let's get into the picture, shall we? Over here on the board, we have addition and subtraction of fraction. Now, take note, there's one thing that you must have in mind. That when solving addition and subtraction of fraction, first thing first that you must think about is LCM. That is only when you are solving fractions that has to do with addition or subtraction. Now take note too, assuming it is a bulky fraction and it just has to do with addition, subtraction, it all means the same thing, that LCM must come in your mind first. So from the scene of things, you have 3 over 4 plus 2 over 7. This is a fresh work that is yet to be done. So I'll urge you to follow along and then try to get answers faster than me. In such way, you will learn faster and you learn better. Like I said, we have 3 over 4 plus 2 over 7. And then LCM is the first thing that should come in mind. Today, I will not be teaching or going too deep on how to solve for LCM. Probably on my next video, you will see how to solve for LCM. It's very, very easy. But then you can just follow along in this video. Then in my next video, you will see how LCM is being solved for. So, like I said, I will not be quick, I will not be fast, I will not take my time to go really deep into this LCM. So, now when solving for the LCM, we pick the numbers below. And what are the numbers below? They are 4 and 7. So what do we do? At this point, you have to ask yourself the best number that you have to use to divide 4 and you have to use to divide 7. Now the way this thing works is that the number that you're going to use to divide 4 and 7 must be a number that must at least go in one number, and after dividing it there is no remainder. So we are going to use 2. 2 is the best number to use over here. So 2 divide 4 will be getting 2. 2 cannot divide 7, although it will divide 7, but there will be a remainder of 1. So that automatically means that we're going to bring it down back. So we still use 2 over here, then over here 1, here 7, then we'll use 7 again, so 1, 1. Now at this point, what our LCM is 7 times 2 times 2, which is giving us 28. So 28 is actually our LCM. So right over here, 28 is our LCM. So 28 divided by 4, we're getting 7. So 7 times 3, we're getting 21. So 21 plus 28 divided by 7, we are getting 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 plus 21, our answer happens to be 29 over 28. Now take note, for those who solve maths, whenever you're given fractions like this to solve, and then you get to this point, by looking at this is a pure improper fraction. Today I will not go too deep on explaining how improper fraction looks like, or how proper fraction looks like, or how mixed fraction looks like. I won't go really deep into it. But this is an improper fraction. Probably on my other videos, I will try to feature them in there. So over here, this is an improper fraction. You will not just leave your answer like that. You have to change it to a mixed fraction. So many mathematics teachers don't like the answers like this. They prefer that their answers are being simplified down to the lowest term. So when you have your answer as an improper fraction, you have to break it down to make sure it's a mixed fraction. So at this point, 29 divided by 28, we're getting 1, and there is a remainder of 1. So one whole number divided by 28 is our final answer. Now I'll be doing the second question. Like I said initially, LCM is the first thing to think about. I won't be solving the LCM. From the scene of things, I already know what my LCM is. So our LCM is 15 from here. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Minus 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. So that automatically means that 18 minus 10 is 8. So we are getting our answer to be 8 over 15. So from the scene of things, this is the final answer. Now why do I say so? 8 is an even number and 15 is an odd number. So there is possibly no number that you will use to divide 8 that will give you no remainder, and you will still use that same number to divide 15, and yet you'll be getting no remainder. So there is no number like that. So that automatically means that this is our final answer. To go straight to the point, 8 itself is an even number and 15 is an odd number. That alone tells you that there is no number that you can use to divide these two numbers simultaneously and you expect to get your result without remainders. So we still have some questions here on the board. I won't be treating it. We have the first one to be 2 over 7 plus 1 over 5, and then the other one to be 3 over 5 minus 2 over 5. So these two questions will be left for you to solve. It's very important that you try your hands on this question and then you find out how they are for you, and then you improve more on solving fractions. Now this is all for today. If you know that this video was really good for you, if you know that I have impacted you in one way or the other through this video, please try to describe in the comments below on how you feel. Tell me, just describe whether you feel good, you feel bad, anyone is fine. And please take note that assuming you have any questions, maybe probably on a different topic that you would love me to feature on my next video, I'll be glad to help you out on those topics that might be bothering you. And that's not all. Please try to share these videos to your friends and families out there. Let them all improve in maths, for there's a reason why this channel was created. And then try to give this video a thumbs up, for that makes me motivated to shoot in more videos. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. I'll be glad that you all are remaining safe, you all remain strong. Thank you all for watching. Till next time we shall meet again.